let's look at some sets and see if we can write them in the other ways of writing sets. So here I want to write the following set using the roster method and then using set builder notation. So I've got the set of all lowercase letters in the English alphabet. Well, roster method, I can just write the roster, start to list them. A, B, C, D. You want to come back in a while. Okay, I did it. Now, you're probably sitting there thinking, did I have to write all of them? Like, isn't there, can I use dot, dot, dot or something? And you absolutely can. This is the same as the set A, B, C, and so on, and then ending with Z. Both of these are fine versions of the roster method of this set because both of them let the person looking at them know what things should be in the set. Okay? In math, just like when we were talking about sequences, we're like, how do we know what's next? Well, in math, we don't want to trick each other. So when I write down A, B, C, and so on through Z, it's my belief that you are going to think the next thing that comes after C is D, and the next thing after D is E, and so on. So I'm trusting you to make that leap, just like I'm asking you to trust me when I write A, B, C, dot, 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 Z, that I mean all the letters in there and that I don't have a jigsaw puzzle in there somewhere, okay? When we're writing sets in roster method and we use that dot, 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 we want to convey the trust of whatever you think belongs in here is probably right. And if you've got a group of 10 people and they all think the same thing belongs in there, then that must be what the writer meant, okay? We're not trying to trick each other with the roster method or using that dot, dot, dot. We're saying whatever belongs in here, whatever you think belongs in here is probably what belongs in here. Okay, I got the roster method of that. Now I need to build the set builder notation for this same set. So set builder notation. Okay, the hardest part about set builder notation is getting the window dressings right, getting those things that aren't the description of the set right. So remember, I need to start with a brace, this curly bracket thing. Then I put in, what do my things look like? They look like whatever, so the set of all x, such that, and now I need to describe what those things are. X is a lowercase letter in the English alphabet. I put my close brace, and there I go. The set of all x, such that x is a lowercase letter in the English alphabet. What types of things belong in there? A, B, W, Q. All right. So there are my two other ways of writing that set. Let's look at another one here. I'm going to write the following using set builder notation and then write a description for it. This is the set Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Well, if I'm going to use set builder notation, I'm going to need to know what ties those things together. And in my mind, that's the set of all planets in our solar system. So, to do set builder, I need my window dressing, brace, x, such that line. So the set of all x such that x is a planet in our solar system. And there I have it, the set of all x such that x is a planet in our solar system. If you are still mourning Pluto, I apologize, but Pluto is no longer a planet, it's a dwarf planet, so I've got to go, hey, these guys are the planets in our solar system. If, since I've recorded this video, Pluto is now a planet again, what I meant to say is a set of all x such that x is a planet in our solar system when I recorded this video. All right, let's hope that doesn't happen. Now, to go from either of these guys to just a description, actually to go from set builder to description is easy. I just need to go the set of all and then change the rest of this part of this to be plural. So the set of all planets in our solar system. That would be a description of that set. Okay, great. Let's just do one more. I've got the set of all x such that x is a month that starts with J. I want to write the roster method and a description. So for the roster method, I just have to think, what are the months that start with J? Let's say January. February, no. March, April, May, June. July, August, September, October, November, December. There I go. There's the roster method for the set of all months, or the set of all x such that x starts with J, the set of all months that start with J, and I just accidentally said it. Here's the description. The set of all months that start with J.